Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to Virtual Explorer, where we take you on a breathtaking journey. If you love travel, culture, and epic views, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Today, we're exploring one of Tbilisi's most iconic landmarks, the Mother of Georgia. Our journey begins as we approach the stunning Bridge of Peace, its glass and steel design gleaming under the Georgian sun, gracefully spanning the Kura River. Crossing the bridge, we find ourselves in Reich Park, a vibrant green space that's both a favorite hangout for locals and a must-see for travelers. Here, flowers bloom in every color and the energy of the city surrounds us. And right in the middle of the park, something impossible to miss, the iconic tethered hot air balloon. This giant sphere can lift you about 150 meters into the air, offering a breathtaking panoramic view of Tbilisi. It's like floating over a living postcard. But today, our eyes are set on a different ride, the cable car. We grab our tickets, step inside, and slowly begin to rise above the city. As we glide over rooftops and treetops, the views are nothing short of magical. Below, the old town's winding streets weave history into every corner while the Kura River sparkles in the sunlight. The ride ends at the top of Sololaki Hill, and from here, we make our way toward the towering Mother of Georgia monument, watching her silver silhouette grow larger with every step. Standing 20 meters tall, Mother of Georgia, or Cartless Data, was built in 1958 to celebrate Tbilisi's 1,500th anniversary. She wears a traditional Georgian dress, and in her hands, she holds two powerful symbols. In her left, a bowl of soar wine to welcome friends, and in her right, a sword to defend against enemies. This duality perfectly captures the Georgian spirit. Warm hospitality paired with fierce strength. From up here, the view is simply unforgettable. The entire city unfolds beneath us, from the red-roofed houses of the old town to the modern architecture of the new city, all framed by the rolling hills and mountains beyond. Visiting the Mother of Georgia isn't just about the monument, it's about the journey, the views, and the feeling of standing high above Tbilisi, taking it all in. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed exploring with us, don't forget to subscribe to Virtual Explorer, tap the notification bell, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Until next time, keep exploring.